made by Sweety site.
Our founder started this attempt that will change the world after they had done long brainstorming.
So, we don't need to introduce ourselves because it requires you from another planet so that you don't know us.
In 1895, our founders started working on a project that will attract of all ages, and they made first launch at famous Tokyo junctions.
And our adventure has begun. From casual people to famous people, everyone goes insane for taking our Sweeties.
For instance, in 1988, Taylor Swift changed her tour route for getting our ice creams.
Crooked ice cream blended with caramel.
Candy apple with snail shell particles.
So what?
Raindrop cake with agar-agar.
And so many specials.
Eat from us.
Let's eat with us.